How to fix Snapchat spotlight not showing up. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to fix Snapchat spotlight not showing up. So first thing, let me actually show you how you could actually go ahead and view this. First thing, open up your Snapchat application, and in the bottom right hand side corner you could see this triangle icon. Just click on that. Now this is known as your spotlight. Now if you're unable to overview, or if you're unable to see the spotlight on Snapchat, then it could be several different factors which might be leading. So what you need to do is, in order to fix it, first of all, you could actually go ahead and try clearing your cache as well as data. So for that, you need to long press the application, then click the app info icon, after which you want to go to storage, and here you want to click on clear cache. Once you've done it, so you could also go to the you could also go ahead and check for an update. So go to your Play Store if you're using an Android, and similarly if you're using an iOS, then go to App Store, and on the search box you want to type in Snapchat and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. App needs to be updated, then click the update button and wait for it completely. Now by doing this, you could also be able to fix the issue. If not, then you could try reinstalling the application. So what you need to do is, to reinstall the application or to delete it, you need to first of all long press on it, click the uninstall button, and then you'll be able to remove it. So after which, you want to go ahead and open up your Play Store, and then once again reinstall it, log into your account. That should be able to fix the issue all at once. So these are some of the ways to fix your Snapchat spotlight not showing up. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.